Okay.
Hi, that's Chris.
he's guest.
And that's Nick.
Yeah, that's Nick behind the camera. Hi. So Hackathon 2016. First off, why did we join and what did we want to do with the idea? The premise of the habitat system was very enticing to us. It's actually something that we've been looking into ourselves as well, but unfortunately we're unable to create it as well as was done by now. And we definitely wanted to become a part of what is happening within Habitat. It's something that I think everybody who's been using Sitecore has been looking forward to, and it's something everybody needs to enrich the way that they work with Sitecore and to speed up development on Sitecore. Basically what we try to do is look at the features that were already present within Habitat and determine which of the things we're missing out. We have years and years of experience with Sitecore and implementation for customers, so we decided to find a feature that was still missing for them. So that feature was?
An event module for end users to create events, show the details, list them, make teasers.
Yeah. Well, basically what we did is we drew out a first idea of what an event module should be, and we came up with rather a large set of actors that could be using parts of what events would do. You have venues and you have speakers at those venues and so on and so on. What we did is we boiled down to a very basic approach, but tried to make it as feature rich and as expandable as possible while clinging very tightly to everything that Habitat has decided on with regards to template structure and the MVC approach, obviously, and the clean separation of concerns with the different layers and every control having its repository and so on. So we try to really work in the same manner as was done on the various features that were already present within Habitat. So, yeah. So I think we're very proud of what we did. We realized a working solution. It has some really nice views. You can add some modules. You can add a teaser list. You can have a specific overview that gives you all the events that took place in the past, which the new ones that are still coming towards you. So yeah, all in all, it's a feature-rich part. We hope to be able to do a follow-up on it and expand on that module. If we can find the time, that will be definitely in the Hackathon 2017. Anything from your side?
Maybe it's Hackathon 18.
After we get a good night of sleep.
Yeah.
But I think result-wise, we're glad of what we did. We created a set of data that should give you an insight on how we approached it. But again, we just wanted to create the idea of what an event module could be. We didn't want to bind somebody into creating forms, custom forms, or even web form marketeers. It's totally free. It's up to you to decide on how you do that. We just want to create a structure of an event, sponsors for an event, and just the idea of how you create that structure and how you can expand, how easily you can expand on what happens within Habitat, and just to create your own module and be part of what I think will become a living and breathing fixed element of a Sitecore solution, which is Habitat. So, thanks.
Yeah.
And thanks for organizing the hackathon, and we're very proud that we could be part of it. Yeah.
And hope you enjoy the module.
Okay. Bye bye.